Good morning, students. Today we are going to do adverbs. Adverb, a word that describes a verb and tells how, when, and where the work has been done. For example, the turtle walked slowly. He went to the beach today. My dog ran over there. So here you can see the underlined words are adverb. Slowly, today, and there. They are telling you how, when, and where. Types of adverb. There are 5 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner explains how an action happens. If you see the picture, here a party is going to happen. So everybody is excited and they are asking question to the person or to the animal which is going to throw the party. Dress up for my party. So one of his friend asked, should we dress casually? The other, should we dress formally? The third one said, should we dress elegantly? The fourth one said, should we dress comfortably? The above adverbs help us to know how to dress for third party. So casually, formally, elegantly, comfortably, all these 4 words are telling you how to dress for the party. So these 4 words are adverbs of manner. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time explains when an action happens. I am having a party. Today, tonight, tomorrow, or next week, or right now. So all these questions are asking when is the party. The above adverbs help us know when Sham's party is. Adverb of place. Adverbs of place describe where something happens. Most adverbs of place are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. If there is no object, these adverbs are usually placed after the verb. Sheila went inside. The kids went outside. Let's go forward. So the words which you can see in red color, they are adverb of place. Adverb of phrases formed of preposition plus noun, oblique pronoun and adverb. The parrot sat on a perch. He stood in the doorway. Frequency adverbs. If you see, there are almost 6 words which will tell you about frequency of adverbs. Let's read the words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never. These words help you to understand at what frequency the work has been done. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. Common adverbs of degree are almost, nearly, quite, just, to, enough, hardly, completely, very, extremely. Before the adjective or adverb, they are modifying. For example, the water was extremely cold. How was the water? The water was extremely cold. Before the main verb, for example, he was just leaving. She has almost finished. I just finished my homework on the solar system. Lena is an extremely good science student. So here, just and extremely are adverbs of degree. Now that we have done adverb, let's practice. What is the instruction given over here? Find the adverbs from the following sentences. The fish swam slowly in the very warm water. So here, slowly is the adverb. How did the fish swam? Slowly. And very can also be an adverb because it's just before the adjective and it's telling you how the water was. The water was warm and the water was very warm. Second, the orange car always works better than the yellow car. So in this sentence, always is adverb. Today, my sister went to school early in the morning. In this sentence, early is adverb. Okay? They often run outside. Now they are playing here inside. So here often is adverb, and outside and inside are also adverb. They are adverb of place. We laughed so hard that our stomach really hurt. In this sentence, how did we laugh? We laughed very hard. So the word so is adverb here, and after laughing so hard, what happened? Our stomach really hurt. So really is also adverb. I'm sure this activity will help you to understand adverb in a better way, and I'm sure this video will give you an insight to adverbs. Thank you.